Hello everyone. Let's take a look at the Sama V50BK, a mid-tower ATX case that aims to deliver premium features without breaking the bank. Right out of the box, the aesthetics are striking. It features dual tempered glass panels, one on the side to showcase your components and another at the front, allowing the ARGB fans to shine through. Speaking of fans, the V50BK comes equipped with 4 pre-installed 120mm ARGB PWM fans. This is a huge plus, as it not only saves you money, but also ensures excellent airflow right from the start. The PWM functionality allows for dynamic fan speed control, keeping your system cool and quiet when it's not under heavy load. The case offers ample space for components. It supports ATX motherboards and has plenty of room for expansion cards, storage drives, and other peripherals. Cable management is also well thought out, with routing channels and tie-down points to help you achieve a clean and organized build. This is crucial not only for aesthetics, but also for optimal airflow. For those planning a liquid-cooled build, the V50BK supports up to a 360mm radiator at the front, providing excellent cooling potential for high-performance CPUs. The inclusion of a USB-C port on the front panel is a welcome addition, offering fast data transfer speeds and compatibility with modern devices. The build quality feels solid for a case in this price range. The tempered glass panels are securely mounted, and the steel frame provides good rigidity. The case also includes dust filters to help keep your components clean and running smoothly. Overall, the Sama V50BK is a compelling option for budget-conscious builders who don't want to compromise on features or aesthetics. The dual tempered glass panels for ARGB fans, excellent airflow, and support for liquid cooling make it a standout choice in its class. The inclusion of a USB-C port and well-designed cable management further enhance its appeal. If you're looking for a stylish and functional case without spending a fortune, the Sama V50BK is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.